Bawumia inherited Akufo-Addo hatred, problems, and the fact say 8 years, was staying in government. All those things became a negative, and the desire to change was on him. 2, Nakasa the party, I'm petting a year. He destroyed beyond repairs. During the primaries, look at the things that Agyapong said about Bawumia. And on the poll, Bawumia, anti-Bawumia element, rubbishing the religion and in the economy.
Lawyer Murice Ampaw said na him say we dey juma e want to meet TV and he want to meet radio na fin so or science so lawyer ni mapa e dey match him want to me no abra ye ba beto abano lawyer e kan ensem bi kire say abana ye ba beto bi bi eni we kire say NDC betimi e di nkunu na say mpo e ko ba le say wi mu dan na say NDC e ko di nkunu mu a ono lawyer Murice Ampaw no obetu afriga na ha akwa akotena togo ebusia lawyer de ensem betu jan Ghana fo yina yete se ne ensem si ko na yeto abani wiye na afi akwa kopie mu se NDC fo na ababedi nkunim se afi ye hwe lawyer se woko ana wo ha eno enene wakwa kopie mu e wo Lawson TV na ye bisa ne se lawyer yeto abe ye babeto aba no ka se obese NDC ni nkunim a obabe piem e wo obefi Ghana ha na wakwa kopie mu e wo togo se yeto abe wiye hwa ye no nyina da so te ha NDC fo na edi nkunim eno na lawyer e say o asem na o kan na de eno political statement a yen tronko buku na no kwasem kra say lawyer say sa asem na o kan no or they are making history as a man say ye tro Ghana homa no ama school for de asua de ono lawyer Murice Ampaw no ne din ebetimi apie abusua ye bekwa ko hwe enchemu a lawyer edi ba ye no achi no wasan kire ne e wo se MPP 4 ye ene nipa e wo se MPP 4 ede no edi wo manim 2028 aye kwa kwato abano so mpeso mudi nkunim de a ansa na e bekọ san asem no so no me kai wo se too much age ene woni go so a wo fi meso na wa subscribe ma page na afi mi adoma no so sa no upload bi atoma onsa ebetimi aka afi abusua e bia na wo nua bi wo maami bi a ne ho mfa no wo fa bi a wo yare a wo hia se obi ba beso mu na wa hwe no amekanfo AM home care and nursing home e de amount se ombetimi abafie abesoso mu ama wetimi ahwe wo maame wo papa ana se wo ba ne ho mfa ne bi kura na nipa no ya hwe no wo hospital ma ne ho ato limum akakakra wo se yeso wo fie a adaje ni ho nti wuntimi nya adaje fa hwe no sa na AM home care and nursing home e wo se wo mu ba beye omo wo akra wo fanko mo number egu screen asefa na ne wo mu entwetwenko omo wo home nso abetimi e de yare fo no so akwakopi mu ho ya doctor fo ne nurse fo ayatete wo mu e wo ho so mba be so mu na o ma hwew ebusu ma yenko enye nkoko tie se ne lawyer Murice Ampaw e kan ne nsem no esify
Yanya tango
na wo ye de
adum bi na adum me na mu yedru because me kai sa interview ne pa me ne wo ye no
yeah
ne yenim say ye be na that interview no at trendy worldwide.
Yes, of course.
The whole world. Ama many way are cheating.
Papa.
Nah, the interesting thing is people don't know what many way are know. You throw the political history of Ghana now.
Our name will be there.
Social studies, any University of Ghana, when it's a political science,
yeah,
and also SHS for government. You can say question. Lawyer Ben, lawyer can say Obeko Togo.
Sababi Winia.
My making history. Into no bibi ebesi biano. And what the positive
and the
energy. Negative they wo but positive. But negative they won't say. I saw the message say. One ko yadie one kum nipa na one sadie ni ameka no o watch here in the heat of the political campaign no my instinct in everything show say there's no way out Ghana is better mama and I believe in it until no of a big beshi bibi e bom
be show
mu
as a politicians in just stage in this one
oh come na sa come ro Mama come many mama difference in it mu. Mama come mene. I'm for refer to also them okay.
Yes, of course.
That's what happens. And I don't know we are in a comfortable lead. Everybody be engaging in politics. Obe make statement be a ye bomma wa. Obo say you to be checho. And then remind you.
Yeah.
Internet and the internet and that. It is obe make statement that it easily say ukofa all towards 2024 elections no. Nyama mba for kind no. Obi say one share no. Obi say one share the school. Who watch 2016. Nyama those days mama okay. She
Yeah.
Now you find no for. What is the difference between one and me? Me continue me say share. Now him thank you kra wan be sam. Why dive it? Ba make us be kotogo no. Na guess obi say. Na lo papa. Ope country bi akwa.
Togo na abeko.
Togo. One. Togo a country bi a. NDC stronghold. Because border region any Togo no it is a me baby akwa me ko for border region na omo no
Togo any
you na Togo so no the borders are there it should tell you say it was a podcast statement me ye Kenya of baby
now boynya
oh Kenya
you didn't mean it
wow
baby akwa any Togo
no me ko baby akwa me ko Togo are one Ghana asekra any Togo. Now Togo president want to mama and any of our president here. Togo in terms of our economy and chilling. The be anywhere Togo is so exciting now. Ebe mami lawyer Ampaw too. Me family no. Omu near US and UK. Oma to serve friend me for the past 40 years of my life no. Say me mura for visit coming Kobe. And I said I don't even have a passport. Currently let I speak. Mungo passport office. Me too quite that. Because at the age of 7 years, I'm born in India. Remember that friend me say, that me say me also for. And I make us also for no. Me but so be a can you top obey. And na obi aka so be to kwame say me to kwan. Omo to kwan. Me last born. Na omo fa la je mbra na me ndi. Since that same me kan no.
Ebusia se na me di kan no oyi nsem we ya no wa ma eno anso ha eno na wo kire se Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ni nkugo na wodi ye e wa baso na ekokotu ye no enye Bawumia no na ye boni bi ma ni di sa nkugo na emom na na dodan ko akufuado ne boni a wodi ye ho obufuo na Ganafo e de kokoso ye Bawumia so eno achi so ne wono ani fiefo ni titiru ne onabo akomprekon Agyapong e de ye no nti na Ganafo to aba ni ti am.
The Agyapong should be the one that the MPP should go for.
Me ye government. It try a political science in the administration. And when it comes to politics, we cry Makwala, Jampo.
Prof. Jampo.
Now, maybe what university know SS1 or SS2 or so. What did I say? Until the class. Now, listen to me. Bawumia inherently of Kufuado hatred, problems. And the fact say 8 years, was stay in government. All those things became a negative, and the desire to change was on him. 2, Nakasa the party, I'm petting a year. He destroyed beyond repairs. During the primaries, look at the things the Japan said about Bawumia. And you know, Bawumia, anti-Bawumia element, rubbishing the religion, and the economy. And it is so many things. It trouble you know. You dated the partner to the sense say, oh no, tell me, NDC became very powerful during the campaign because they don't have nothing to lose. They were just promising, and then they were weakening the enemy, the government territory. Oh what here? The NDC was so powerful to the sense say, those who could support Bawumia, they weakened all of them. Now, Bawumia campaign, oh yeah, no. There are people within the campaign sabotaging Bawumia, and one is Kennedy Pong. Ko baby Monkopa delegate, Monkopa party in the show. As I say, my own body. And me, Bawumia, on smart. Bawumia is smarter. Me, I will not use Kennedy.
Why do you want the MPP to bring back somebody who is not smart?
Look,
you should be smart.
No, in terms of 2020.
Ebusia lawyer ansam no na yede ababesom na mesrew se senya oji nsem isi fa ye bia be hu e wo comment section ho na afi we mi subscriber tim no so ye too much gh e akai sa wo de bell no e be ka ho sa no upload bia ba unsa e betimi aka all the social media handles so ko wa ye too much gh e akai sa ho so obe like and wash e di ama me that gold ene di am je so makra.